Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna have plump lips together. So I've done all my makeup except for my lips. I'm not gonna make this intro too long. We're gonna jump in and I'm gonna show you guys how to make those lips look nice and plump. So first I want to say thank you to Grande Cosmetics. They just sent me a few things. This video is not sponsored, but they did send me some things to try out and I am so grateful. So I have 4 products, one of which is brand new. So it's the Grande Lips Plumping Lip Primer, and this is a matte formula. It smooths and hydrates lips, reduces lip lines, instantly plumps without any discomfort, extends color wear for up to 4 hours, woo, clear matte finish, and you use as a lip primer or alone as a plumper. I'm excited to try this out. We're gonna dive right in and go ahead and put this on. So this is the component there, really pretty and sleek. I'm a huge fan of their lip plumpers and I really want to try the lash serum out too. I've heard really good things. I literally just got this yesterday, so I've not used it. I've pumped a little bit out there, as you can see. And let's go ahead and put it on. And anytime I do lip plumpers, I do take it just around the line of my lips as well to kind of plump out the edge, because I feel like that's where my lips aren't super small, but I feel like if I could plump them out more, that's how I would like them to look. Not necessarily that I want them a ton bigger, maybe just a smidge. So this is great for anyone, even if you've had lip injections, but if you're like me and you haven't taken that step and you just want a fuller looking pout, then this is a really good one. I love the consistency. Like, you really don't feel it. I feel like a little tingly exhilaration, but it's nice. It's not uncomfortable. There's some lip plumpers out there that like, they tingle so much and you're just like, I don't know if this is a good thing. But Grande Lips to me has always had like that comfortable tingle that I like. It's like refreshing. I'm excited to see how this does in like extending my wear, but I would definitely use this on its own as well because I do feel like it looks really good. I think it gave a little instant plump as well, but I'm also going to show you guys like how to use the products in a way that will give you more plump lips as well. We also have the Grande Stay Put Invisible Lip Liner, so that's what the packaging looks like there. Take it out. I love the gold packaging again, just very sleek. And that's what the little tip looks like. So I'm gonna go ahead and line out my lips. Like I said, that lip line area for me is one of the biggest things. So obviously this is clear, so you're not going to see it as well, but I'm just taking the time to like smooth out the line of my lips so it's going to look a little bit more full, and it's already made my lips look nice and full. Obviously we're going to add some color. So if you had a color lip line, you could of course overline the lips a bit. My personal favorite way is to use a liquid lipstick. I think it looks very natural. It's very easy for me to use versus lip liners. They're very good, don't get me wrong. I love a lip liner, but in my preference, liquid lipstick works so well. I do have 2 to show you guys. They are both right here. So first I have the Grande Lips Hydra Plump Liquid Lipstick, and this is a semi-matte in Vintage Rose. I think this is what I'm gonna wear because it looks gorgeous. Let's first show you the packaging, and then that's the color right there. Feels a little moussey. It's definitely got that plumping scent to it, which I don't mind at all. The next one I have is the Hydra Plump Liquid Lipstick in a metallic semi-matte finish. And this is in the shade Rose Blush. Ooh, I might have to change my mind. These are both so pretty. Wish you could like tell me right now what you want me to wear because I like them both. Oh my goodness. This is a hard decision because I really like both of these colors. I think with my look today, I'm actually going to go for the metallic. I wasn't expecting to want to do that, but I think it's gonna like blend really well and it'll kind of like almost match my eyes but like play off the like metallic shadow I have on my eyes there. What I like to do personally, and I know this is gonna sound like really rudimentary and common sense, but I pull out the wand and what I like to do is like deposit some color like this. So I'm just like kind of coating my lip. I don't want to put it all in one spot. So that way I could like get rid of some of the product if it makes sense. That way if we go in and we make a little mistake, it's not as bad. We're not like piling on the product. And at this point I will take it and go on my Cupid's bow. And I like to take the wand this way in this direction and go ahead and line out my lip a little bit. And then I'm taking the other side and depositing some product on my top lip. I like to take those, and then now I'm going to start smoothing out my lower lip, and I'm basically just going to get like a base of my lip line, and then I'll go back and see what areas I need to fix or if I need to build up the color at all. That's gorgeous. I love that. Okay, I really don't need a whole lot of color, but I'm gonna dip in just a little bit, and I'm gonna make sure that I have my lip lined out the way I want. So right now, I've kind of got it at my natural lip line, so I'm gonna take it outside my lip line now. So that is what my lips look like. I am pretty satisfied. I happen to really like this applicator. So I'll show you, it's like a little almost triangular shape, and it does have a little place in the middle where it's like holding the product as well, which I really like. So that way the product's just not like all smearing on. You can almost like hold a little product on the wand, if that makes sense. I am really impressed with this lip, and usually metallics, for me, I found them to be a little bit too dry. This one doesn't feel dry on my lips. It says these are both semi-matte, which I personally kind of like. That way they're still long wearing, but they're not super dry. And as you can see, the swatches are like sort of dried down, but you can still see a little bit where I could like blend the product in. The metallic has dried a little bit more, but they're really pigmented. I absolutely love the pigmentation, and I honestly cannot wait to wear this other shade as well. So I think that really improved the overall like look of my lips, where I've just been able to like line them out. I did focus on my Cupid's bow and make it a little bit more rounded, because my Cupid's bow is very shapely. My Cupid's bow has a lot of shape to it, so I do like to round it out just a little bit more and still leave some of the shape in. But overall, I am really impressed. I really expected to go in with this one, but that metallic is just so pretty that I was too tempted. I had to use it. So I'm really loving like the overall look that I have here. I love this metallic. I'm sold. But now they really got me, because I am loving this lip. And even though I put 3 lip products on, it feels very lightweight on the lips. It feels like I put maybe like a normal lipstick on. It doesn't feel heavy or cakey or dry. I'm really impressed. I'll definitely be posting a picture of this look, and I'll share all the details. You can follow me on Instagram right here, and definitely be sure to check out Grande Cosmetics as well. I will link these products down below if you want to check them out. And as always, please leave me a big thumbs up if you like these type of videos. And if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and do that now. And I do have a giveaway going on right now, which I will link below. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!